In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to find invoices by customer name. Let's get started right inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left panel, look for the Sales option. This is your hub for everything related to money coming in, like invoices and customer records. Go ahead and click Sales. Once that opens, move to the Customers tab. This tab shows your entire customer list in one place, which is exactly where we want to be to find invoices tied to a specific customer. Now, select the customer whose invoices you want to view. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly type the customer's name. When you see the right customer, click on their name to open more details about them. This brings you to their customer profile, which is like a dashboard for that one client. On this page, you'll see a table showing all of your transactions with that customer. That can include invoices, payments, estimates, and any credits. It's a comprehensive view, but we're going to narrow it down so we only see invoices. To do that, look for the drop-down labeled Type. Click the Type drop-down and choose Invoices. As soon as you select Invoices, the table refreshes to display only the invoices for that customer. You should now see a clean list of invoices associated with that customer. Each row typically shows helpful details like the invoice number, date, status, due date, and balance. If you need to review any invoice in depth, just click it to open the full document. This is a great way to confirm what was billed, check the status, or follow up on outstanding balances. If your list is long, remember that sorting the columns can help you find what you need faster. For example, sorting by date or by status can bring the most recent or the unpaid invoices to the top. And if you don't immediately see any invoices, double-check that you selected the correct customer and that the type filter is set to invoices. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Sales, opening the Customers tab, selecting your customer, and filtering the type to invoices, you can quickly find every invoice tied to that customer in one organized view. This simple workflow saves time and helps you stay on top of your accounts receivable, especially when you need to follow up or share details with your customer.